Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Gratchip. If it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel below and let's get started. So what is exactly a cover letter? You see it all the time. With job applications, they'll ask you for a resume and a cover letter. What is a cover letter? How do you write one? Basically, your cover letter is a document that outlines your key skills to the role, what you bring to the company, and your fit to that organization. Essentially, think about it like an aiding document, like something that would help you sell yourself. Your main selling document is the resume, so that's where you should focus your attention. Cover letter is a visual aid or another document that would help the employer to identify your key information. So what do you actually need to do in a cover letter? What do you need to include? I'm seeing a lot of graduates, international students spend hours and hours on a cover letter to make it 1, 2, even 3 pages. That's not the way to go about it. Your cover letter should always be 1 page that's really easy to read and identify the key information to the employer. So 3 things to include in a cover letter. First, you. Speak about yourself. Speak about your skills. What is it that you bring to the role? What is the one thing that really makes you stand out? Second, you want to speak about the role itself. How are your skills fitting to this role? What makes you a good fit for this role? Third and final thing in the cover letter, you want to speak about the company. What motivates you to apply for this company? Why is it that you want to work for this specific organization or company? Is it the culture? Is it more of the activities? Is it more the exposure? Is it just the way they do things in the industry? Is it the brand name? So think about what motivates you to work for this specific industries. So to recap, it's 3 things. You, the role, and the company. Make it in a neat 1-page document. Remember, it's a letter, so you want to address it to the person if you know their name. If not, you can say, "Dear hiring manager" or "Dear HR manager." And towards the end, you want to reference your resume. 3-4 paragraphs would be more than enough. No need for long paragraphs, no need for 5-6 of them, no need for 2 pages. 1 page that's really easy to read would be a great cover letter. Remember, your main information and the selling document is the resume, not the cover letter. Cover letter is just there to help you. Hope you found some value in today's video. Subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you in the next one.